Hello guys, today we will learn how we can create a series using dictionary. So a series can be created using dictionary. We do not in this dictionary we do not require declaring and index as a separate list. Instead, built-in keys will be treated as the index. Student, you already know when we use dictionary, then we do not need to assign its index because its keys will be treated as the index. Is it clear? Let's see an example. So first I import our pandas library because we have to use its series function. Then here I call this series function and assign in this series function a dictionary. Is it clear? And passing in this dictionary our key value and its value. January, February, March and April. Then after print our series. Is it clear? Okay guys, let's do practical. Student, you can see here I paste this statement in Python. Ideally import pandas as pds equals to pds is our series variable name. Then here I am write pd dot series and passing in this function our dictionary. Then print our series. Okay, save and let run this. Student, you can see here is showing your dictionary. Okay, so also you can use dictionary in series. Is it clear? Next is naming a series. How we can set label to our series. So we will discuss in this session. We can also give the name to the column. आप किस प्रकार से अपनी सीरीज के कॉलम को नेम सेट कर सकते हैं. Let's do practical. First I import our pandas library and create a series and passing our list. Now set our name to the column. So to set the column name, first I write here s dot name equals to days. क्या होना चाहिए? नेम days होना चाहिए. और इंडेक्स का नेम क्या होना चाहिए? s dot index dot name equals to month. यानी कि आपके डेज का तो क्या होना चाहिए? डेज होना चाहिए कॉलम का नेम. और जो मंथ आपने लिखे हैं उनका लेबल और एट्रीब्यूट, यू कैन आल्सो से कॉलम नेम क्या होना चाहिए? आपका फील्ड्स नेम क्या होना चाहिए? आपका डेज और मंथ होना चाहिए. तो किस प्रकार आप इनके कॉलम के नेम को लिख सकते हैं. देन आफ्टर आई प्रिंट आवर सीरीज. ओके, लेट्स डू प्रैक्टिकल. Student, I open Python ideally and paste this statement and save or run this. Now student, you can see here is showing your Python Python dictionary through series and also showing its column name days and month. You can see here month and name. Is it clear student? Also you can see here is showing your month and your days. Is it clear student? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.